Is your Mint Mobile SIM card playing hard to get, refusing to slide smoothly into your phone like it's auditioning for a role it wasn't meant for? Don't worry, because today we're going to conquer the SIM card compatibility puzzle and get you connected with Mint Mobile in no time. First, let's identify the culprit SIM card size confusion. Your phone likely accepts one of three sizes standard: micro or nano. The nano SIM is currently the most common, but older phones might use micro or even standard SIMs. Check your phone's manual, the manufacturer's website, or a quick online search for your phone model and SIM card size to confirm what you need. Now, Mint Mobile SIM cards come in a convenient multi-size design. Look closely, you'll see perforations outlining the different sizes. Carefully punch out the SIM card size you identified for your phone. Take your time here. You don't want to accidentally break the actual SIM chip. If you accidentally punched out a smaller SIM card than you needed, or if you've switched phones and need to use your nano SIM in an older device, don't fret. This is where SIM card adapters come to the rescue. These inexpensive little tools allow you to use a smaller SIM card in a slot designed for a larger one. Simply insert your nano SIM into the correct adapter, micro or standard, making sure it fits snugly. Finally, the moment of truth. Gently place the SIM, either the correct size you punched out or the adapted SIM, into your phone's SIM card tray. Make sure the gold contacts are facing down in most cases. Carefully slide the tray back into your phone. Avoid forcing it if it doesn't slide in easily. Double check the alignment. Power on your phone. It should now recognize the SIM card and connect to the Mint Mobile network. In most cases, follow the activation instructions provided by Mint Mobile, and you'll be enjoying that sweet, affordable wireless service in no time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.